Now, the uproar continues over the murder case as farmer groups are also now staging a protest in Mandya against Darshan. Farmers are demanding that actor Darshan be hanged. Anger against the case, demanding strict action against the actor over the murder case. Anger now spilling onto the streets with several protesters hitting the streets, asking the police to take stringent action against the actor over his alleged involvement. My colleague Deepak is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, anger spilling out on the streets as more and more sensational and chilling details are coming out of how the victim had been assaulted by a group of people. Now many protesting on the streets and saying no political pressure, take strict action against the accused.
Well, yesterday we saw protests in Chitradurga, now protests in Mandya. They're saying that this is a very gruesome murder. Severe action should be taken against Darshan. They're also demanding the capital punishment here. And more importantly, we should note there have been so many developments that have taken place as far as this case is concerned. We here at Times Now have been bringing the top focus news to our viewers to bring them up to speed of all the latest. Now, as far as the post-mortem, it talks about the brutality of the crime. While there is a possibility here that, the accused could argue there was never an intention to kill, the post-mortem here will be absolutely essential to clinch details here and evidence to show in the brutality in which they've attacked, knowing very well, using that sort of a force, using the sort of weapons that they have, there is a high possibility that they knew that, this individual could have lost his life. And it was not just a mere attack where by mistake he's lost his life. The brutality shows that there was an intention to kill, and this is something that the police will use against the accused, even as they could try to defend themselves in the future. But also, as far as developments in the case is concerned, prohibitory orders have been put outside the police station where Darshan is being questioned, because we've seen congregation of their supporters who are also lathi charged a couple of days ago outside the police station, and now the police believe for security reasons they should also cover up the entire police station. Now that is raised a lot of speculation as to why they are doing that, while there are media
in fact, the
cameras
police
outside.
will be imposing prohibitory orders as well. More breaking inputs coming in, orders to be imposed outside the police station where actor Darshan is kept. Remember, several supporters of Darshan had also turned up at the police stations. Now the police have decided to impose prohibitory orders outside the police station where Darshan is. The decision, of course, being taken owing to the huge amount of fans who had gathered. So, Deepak, on one hand, there are protests taking place demanding action against the accused in the case. On the other hand, there are also supporters of actor Darshan who had started crowding outside the police station as well as he was taken into custody. We are told now that the police will be putting in place prohibitory orders to ensure there's no crowding outside the police stations.
Yes, 200 meters outside the Annapurneshwari Nagar police station, the prohibitory orders are coming to effect now. We saw while he was being taken for a medical checkup and eventually to be produced before the magistrate just day before yesterday, protesters, basically his supporters who had gathered there to try to create a ruckus. The police do not want any sort of a situation like this. But there are also a lot of speculations being raised about the, move by the police to actually cover up the entrance to the police station, not allowing, anyone on the outside to know what's happening inside. But the police believe that this is in the interest of the investigation. Meanwhile, we should also note here that questioning of the accused continues in this particular case. Darshan and the others. Pavitra Gowda has been shifted to a different location, and she too, of course, will continue to be grilled. Right now, a statement of some of the accused here will be taken in front of a magistrate, is what we've been told, because now in the remand copy we find a mention of how the police believe that some of these individuals who came and surrendered before the police trying to take onus for the murder, they were even offered money to ensure that Darshan's name does not emerge in this. So this will be important to nail the actor and of course tie him to the case, so they could record the statement of some of these accused in front of the magistrate as well. Overall, there is also talks of lakhs of rupees being kept aside by Darshan to ensure this entire cover-up is a success. But the police, of course, were quick to learn more details and get to the bottom of it, and eventually, of course, arrest the actor as well.
Absolutely.